Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you easily on how you can add conditional steps in snov.io. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Snov dashboard. From here, click on campaigns, click on new campaign, and then you have the ability to simply choose between two options, which is to use a template and create from scratch. Now, to make things easier, I'll use a template right here. I'll just select the most simple template, which is going to be the post trades show conference campaign. And then once inside your own template, this is where we can simply add our conditional step. So in here, you have your condition, and then if it says no, you will then go ahead and follow up. And if it says yes, it will then lead to a lead. Now, you can customize this by clicking on it. And from here, you have the ability to simply select your email on how you want to approach this. You have the ability to integrate your own writing AI tools and more into your Snov campaign. So this is how we can simply add conditional steps in snov.io. If you wanted to add a new one, you can just navigate through the side of your screen, drag it into the template right here, and then you can connect it to your steps. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.